Students, you must have seen this news in Times of India today. They are saying that internal discussion that are going on. As per that, the exam is expected on middle of September. I believe Times of India a little bit more than all other publication because this is the oldest publication, and for journalists, it is important that they have internal sources which give them news before the news is known to other people. So if you see this news, if you come at the bottom of it a little bit down, what you will see is this part is what is important. According to senior government official, August 1 date for NEET is no longer feasible and it will be postponed. Fresh schedule along with guideline for online registration process is to be announced next week. The new education minister who took charge on Friday would soon take a review meeting. Thereafter, dates will be announced by NTA. Consultations are on and the exam is likely to be scheduled in middle of September. Consultations are on and schedule is likely to be in middle of September. Now, there is uncertainty, right? There is uncertainty in the date, okay? But you still can make mock test schedule. This is the basis on which we are also updating our schedule in the test series, right? So Times of India, I told you how to make mock test schedule. Make it as follows. One mock test every 15 days till NEET 2021 date is announced. And after that, once 21 date is announced, one mock test every week for last 5 weeks. So think about it like this. Let's say date is 12th September. Let's say, right? I don't know when it is going to be, but so this is something like 5th August, 5th August, 12th August, 19th August, 26th August, and after that 2nd September, right? So this you give in 7 days, right? And before that, right now, every 15 days. This way. So what will happen is, most of you, if you are scoring above 650, you can give test every day or every 2 days, whatever you want. But if you are scoring less than 600, you have significant areas of improvement. You have significant areas of improvement. I told you in earlier videos that what you need to do is, you need to figure out which areas are weak. You will find that out if you analyze your last 3-4 mock tests and focus specifically on those chapters. So you should focus on, if your syllabus is not complete, you should focus on completing your syllabus and giving target tests. If your syllabus is complete, you have made your mock test date, revise for the mock test, right? Understand this. Watch this video again, understand this. Make your mock test schedule and revise for the mock test. If your syllabus is not complete, focus on syllabus completion. But don't give test every 2 days, every 3 days. It is not useful at all because between 2 tests, you need time to fix your weak areas. That is why we will keep updating our test series till the time a date is announced. Next test is not going to happen on 18th. We are going to do it on 25th July so that you get time, because there is time available. Most probably you are going to get at least 60 days. You are going to get at least 60 days. So when 5 weeks, around 35 days remain, we will update the test as per, we will take a test every 7 days. Till then, we will take a test every 15 days. So you should also not hurry up. Take your time, prepare properly for a chapter, build your concept, practice questions, and then write tests. So focus on syllabus completion if syllabus is not complete, and if syllabus is complete, revision for mock test. Watch this thing again, understand this, make your mock test schedule and you will be good. Don't hurry up. Despite this uncertainty in date, you can make your mock test schedule and follow it accordingly. Hopefully you have understood. I won't promise in the comment section. You're not going to waste your time. You're not going to get frustrated. You're going to make your mock test schedule. Focus on syllabus completion. Syllabus is complete. Revise for the mock test and you'll be okay. All right, students.